In this video, I'll show you how to create recurring tasks in ClickUp. So I'll come here, click on Add Task, okay? And let's go ahead and name this, for example, Weekly Meetings. Okay, press Enter. I'll go ahead and click on this task. Once we go ahead and click on this, we get a bunch more options. So here we get dates. So I'll click on this, right? Let's set a start date. And let's say the start date is today's okay, right? So every Friday, let's say we do a meeting every week. So click on set recurring at the bottom left and make sure it's weekly. Of course, you could change it to daily, monthly, yearly, or after however many days, depending on your needs. I'll set a weekly meeting, and instead of when complete, I'll click on schedule. So regardless of whether the task is done or not, every single week we'll have a weekly meeting. When you choose when complete or when done, this will only happen when the status was changed to, done or complete. Okay, so I'll do on schedule and we'll recur this forever. Okay, and it will be creating a new task for every reoccurrence. There you go. I'll come and click on save and we are done. Okay. As you can see right here, we have the symbol. That means it is weekly and recurring. And it's really that easy and simple.